comes Poppy down the ramp. Zoom in on him. Here he is.
Ask him. You want to put your jackets on?
Okay. This is a big aircraft equipment carrier. Big. Now he's looking at this jet thing. There he is, walking away. He's going to look at the helicopter. He's the one with the camouflage hat on. You can see him. Standing there now. Has a little camouflage hat on. There he is, walking towards us. This is what he's looking at, the big helicopter. We're looking at this other jet. There he is. It's got a double wing thing. Hops.
To outfly almost any of our aircraft. It was lighter, had a tighter turning circle, and a better rate of climb. But it did not have a superior. And here was Japan's response coming up and over top, ladies and gentlemen. As Lips goes by once again, here comes our Zero, also known as the Mole. B1 will be simulating a strike and a vertical climb straight up, then a spiraling descent. B-25 rolling in again from your left to left. And it looks like our 25 could be under attack. Red Horse may be required to directly follow the seizure forces upon successful seizure of airfield and related infrastructure. And there they go, ladies and gentlemen, in their round parachutes.
Services. We all stand on their shoulders.
Very much indeed, General Buck, as we start the show.
70,000 pounds of cargo in this bad boy. To give you a better idea how big this aircraft aircraft actually is. Those winglets on the wings are over 9 feet tall.
Whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight. Oh, the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streamed, and the rocket.
Instead of Thunderbirds, we're going to be doing a show in about 20 minutes. They all are. Cops ran away, so I gotta go find them.
37 tweet.
Notice they call a T round parachute. This jump took place today at about 1,000 feet in typical combat conditions. It can jump from as low as 500 feet. But they are landing in support of our ground troops down there. Today's Red Horse parachute jumpers include Technical Sergeant Mitchell Romag as the jump master, the 820 Red Horse First Sergeant, Master Sergeant Gunn.
Over 120 miles of wiring. I know, you're saying, holy smokes, that's a lot of copper. The fly-by-wire system means the aircraft's flight controls are electronically operated by inputs from the flight controls. There are 4 separate flight control computers, each of which can manage the entire system by itself. The computers continuously monitor the flight controls and each other. If there are any problems, they automatically work around the disabled system. In addition to these features, the C-17 still has a mechanical backup.
Looks like our MiG-15 off to the left that hasn't spotted, but there's an F-86 up there on its tail. Notice how similar the two aircraft are, reflecting the early design of these aircraft with their turbo-axial flow engines. Both producing things about the same amount of thrust, approximately 6,000 pounds. Which when compared to today's F-18 and F-16 is medium.
Significance of the fact that both of them have wings shaped like boomerangs.
This was to prevent high-speed pressure